Okay guys, so for today's video we are going to be polishing and kind of sanding down the frame of the dune buggy, so let's get on to that.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, we just finished sanding down some parts, and then I took this nice like clear glaze. It's supposedly triple thick, so it's like three coats of clear. And then if you look on here, I know I just sprayed it on real quickly. I sprayed on that, and then I got this, which is basically candy apple blue. It's candy blue raz from Michaels. That kind of looks bad because it's a little runny, but guys, that color, that on the entire frame is gonna look absolutely bananas. I'm literally like so excited for this, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm like super excited. What do you think of the blue?
Oh, that's quite metallic.
Isn't that cool?
Is that the color that Grandpa said?
Yeah, candy apple, and see how the silver underneath will shine through?
Yeah.
And it's translucent. That looks, now if you like stand back in the sun, that's gonna be insane, but then in the shade, like see how it's like a dark blue? Like a deep blue. Bro, I don't think I could do any better. And then put it in the shade. Like, isn't that cool? You kind of see, so it's more so in the center, but
That is pretty cool.
that on the whole frame,
It's metallic, or it looks metallic?
it's metallic, but it's semi-clear.
Oh.
Because, and so the silver on the frame shines through. Okay guys, as part of a test, we have this all sanded down. This was grinded before, and then we used the sander like pad on this angle grinder right there. It's a 60 grit, and then I used the parts cleaner, brake and parts cleaner over that to just make sure everything is solid. Next, I got this clear glaze, but it's like super thick. So it's like one coat of this is like normally triple of a different one. So we're gonna clear coat it and then hopefully get to painting the blue metallic on it, or the candy apple blue on it. Okay, next we do the blue. I think it's really cool that I can heat it up from the inside of the tube and it just kind of dries everything evenly. The reason why I keep switching it is because you don't want the ends to get burnt. So I'm basically going off of feel. You know, when one end feels like it's getting pretty hot, then you switch to the other end just to kind of cook it evenly. This would be similar to, you know, just putting it in the oven to, you know, seal it, everything. Now I'll show you guys the end product. Look at that. That looks insane. Wow. And then we put a little light. See how it's like sparkly, crystally. That is super trippy. It looks really clean. Wow. I think that this candy apple blue is gonna look, it looks insane. So I can't wait to see the whole rest of the frame in that color. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because, you know, I'm building this car, this buggy, and it looks freaking bananas. All right guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.